I have a Delonghi upright AC unit and one of my kids dropped a toy down the fan. We got the toy out, now the fan won't work. Any suggestions?
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Delonghi Pack-In 280HG1W3ADG.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
2 days. Took it apart, the clear part out, and put it back together.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Please read the entire message before responding. Hi there, my name is Vay, got over 10 years in the trade, and I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests unless you want phone service from me. Please bear with my responses, actively working on the job site also. I am human, but I will do my best to reply ASAP. Are you referring to the blower fan or the exhaust fan?
Blower.
I see.
Can you burn up a motor by have something get stuck in it?
There's a few possibilities. The motor is burned out or the board is bad. If the motor was locked in place by the toy and couldn't turn, and it kept trying to turn for an extended period of time, the motor is most likely burned up. Doubt that it is the board since you said a toy was dropped into the blower wheel.
Agreed. Thanks. To replace the whole unit instead of going through replacing the fan, I would guess.
Right. The motors can be expensive. The other problem is with these portable aux, they are harder to source.
Okay, thanks for your help.
Hopefully I was helpful, courteous and kind, as that is my goal. If you don't mind, please take a second of your time and remember to rate using the stars on the top left, that way I will be credited for answering you. Hopefully I've earned 5 stars. We can continue to chat after you rate, and you can ask follow-up questions free of charge. Thank you and have a blessed day tomorrow.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.